Now let's have a look at the dewarping capabilities for fisheye 360-degree cameras. We'll need to select a suitable camera, in this case a 5 megapixel panoramic camera, and a suitable layout. If we hover over the top of the image, you'll see we get the pop-up menu where we can simply duplicate the stream into a second window. Now, using a simple 2-click process, we can dewarp that image. That's 1 and 2, and here you can see we've dewarped that video. And using the mouse, we can move around that image using the mouse wheel, zoom in and out, and set a preferred view. Now let's repeat that process. Again, hovering over the main image, we can copy a stream and then dewarp with 1, 2 clicks and move around to a preferred display. And again. Now we can use the on-screen display button to show us the contextual information, which is displayed on the overlay 360-degree image. And you can see by zooming in and out and moving that view around, you can see the borders on the on-screen display move with the image. We can also create a continuous pan rotation by using the center of the image, click and hold the left mouse button and then scroll off the side of the image. Here you can see we have the continuous rotation, and we can speed that up simply by repeating the process a bit quicker. And in order to stop, simply click on the image again. Alternatively, if you don't want to dewarp the camera, you can create a panoramic display. Again, use the dewarp button with 1, 2 clicks, and here you can see we have a full panoramic image from the 360 degrees. You can see the on-screen display is now showing in green on the top image here. Wavestore support our native dewarping engine, as well as supporting both OnCam and Immervision as standard at all levels of software, including base. Because this functionality is client side, we only ever pull a single stream from the camera, even when we're copying and duplicating that on screen. This means that we can save the hardware resources of the server, the network capacity, as well as the bandwidth. And that's the simple functionality of the dewarping within Wavestore.